One, two, three. Okay. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Lucas from ContentFries, and today I have something which is, I think, incredible and very powerful upcoming feature. You can already use it partially, and we will eventually deploy everything for you so you can use it as you need. So let's just jump right into it, because this is some really exciting AI stuff, and this forms our future direction where we are heading. This is just incredible, and I will also explain the big picture idea we have with this. But my time is really limited, so let me just jump right into it and see what's going on right now. And this is the ContentFries AI playground, AI experiment, AI stuff that we are already right now in this moment basically deploying to the 2.0 version of ContentFries, so you can use it. You just need to go to beta.contentfries.com/app experiments AI, everywhere is slash between. Okay, so if you want to use it, go there, but you will have it in your profile, and we will also add it to this section, to the menu. It's brand new. This is just being in the background, in the backend, being deployed, so hopefully everything will work as expected. But let me explain what we have here, because this is just mind-blowing. This is incredible. This is super powerful stuff that will change everything. Okay, so this is the first of the AI features, and this is the generate fries. And this, what I have here, is basically just copied and paste transcription of this, potato, of this long form video transcript, and I pasted it here to this box into generate fries task. And what this does is that I have AI analyze the transcription and pick all the most, engaging or inspiring or important parts of the transcription, so you can speed up the process of, content multiplying. So you don't have to read all the transcript on your own, but you can use this AI, and then you just go and grab a part of it like this. You read it, what the AI thinks is some powerful sentence or some powerful part, and then you just drag and drop it as usual. So as you can see, the AI thinks it ends here, so you can, manually do this and create new fry, and do it with all the, fries that it generates for you. And this is how many we have here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 basically fries generated by AI. So that will save a huge amount of time. And this process right here is, cumbersome, but this stuff will be implemented actually into ContentFries 2.0, into the new version of Trimmer. So the big picture is have this available when you are multiplying the content, but you can use it right away as it is right here. It will definitely save you lots of time. So this is how it works now. But remember, this will be integrated into the interface, into the trimmer. So this will work automatically. You will just click a button. It will take a transcription and do everything here and generate all the fries into this box here without you basically lifting a finger. And if you want to, customize something, you can read. Maybe you don't want to use this part, but maybe you want to use this because it's, funny or whatever. But you want to add one sentence to it, so you can manually adjust it as you want. So That's how you can use it right now. And let's go to the second AI stuff that's extracting key sentences out of some long form transcription. So let me just copy and paste the transcription again. It will take a few seconds to complete, but this will take 20% of the most important sentences by keeping the context. That means when you have some long webinar or really long video transcription or whatever, and you want to go to the core of that text, you can use this and see basically very fast what it is about. You can also use it if you want. For example, maybe some customers are writing you really long and I don't know, queries or whatever to your inbox or to your support box. You can take it, you can get to the core of what the customers basically wants and reply them faster. And that's just one, of many use cases that you can do with a tool like this. It's basically for summarizing for you, for your reference, so you can see what the core message of some transcription or maybe some long blog post. Maybe you can copy and paste some long blog post into it and see what the blog post is about and whatever. Okay, so that's the second. Then there is generate post, and this is incredible, but I don't have examples in here. But the way how you use it, let me just show you, and then I have to finish today's episode of Content Fridays. And I'm not streaming, so hopefully, goddamn, I don't have I don't have the password here. So instead of this, let's just assume, or maybe let's go to Twitter or something and see how it works. So the way how it works is, and I can't see a thing here. Okay, so I failed right here, but the way how this works is basically you just paste your stats. You go to your Facebook page or Facebook group or whatever, and you copy 3 examples of your posts to the AI, so it can get a context and it can get a feel of how you communicate, how you structure your posts, and what words are you using, what emojis are you using, and stuff like that. And you just paste. Okay, so paste the status here, and in the name paste something or write something descriptive. That means maybe I have some kind of status about new layouts. Okay, and that's one, or maybe new ContentFries layouts. Keep it short and descriptive, and then the status is here. Maybe the status can have hundreds or maybe up to 100 words, or it's up to you how you use and how you communicate. And this is one example. Then you add a second example, for example, new ContentFries AI features. And you can go to your Facebook profile, to your Facebook page, and just copy and paste 3 of your posts that you write, that you have written in the past or whatever. And this is second post. Okay. And then you want to publish something new. So again, you just type in that name, that descriptive part, that key point or whatever, what this post is basically about. So I don't know, new context editor layout, and then you click generate. And this will probably not work because these examples are really bad, and also we are deploying these models in the background, and this one is more more complicated. So it will take some time to generate the status. It should take maybe between 15 to 30 seconds. When we release this in production, it should generate all the statuses in under 10 seconds. But from time to time, when we are deploying or maybe doing some maintenance or sharing or uploading some updates to the model, it may take even up to, I don't know, 15 minutes in rare cases. That should not happen more than once a day, as we are working on this. But as I said, when we release this in production, it will take up to 10 seconds to generate the statuses. And it's still generating. And as you can see, it was unable to generate the post because maybe the examples suck, or it did not recognize it as English, or there is undergoing maintenance, and the development, the deployment part is not over yet. So this should not happen, and maybe it will take an hour to finish this model. But in the meantime, you can use these two models to generate fries out of your long form transcription and extract key sentences. And then there is headline generator, but this is work in progress. It's also being deployed by the dev team. Summary maker, this will write abstracted summary. It's basically the same as this, but this extract key sentences, and this one, writes in its own terms what the text is about. So maybe this one will produce even shorter summary of what's there. And there is then there is a product promo. This will write basically a text that you can use in Facebook ads for a product or service promotion. And these are some of the models that we were working hard on. We are now deploying them to production so you can use it. And early next week we will add a link to this section to the menu, so you can use it in the 2.0 interface, in the 2.0 version of ContentFries. And in the meantime, you can go to beta.contentfries.com/app/experiment/AI and then pick one of these three, because these three will basically are there today, and the generate post will get functional in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the ContentFries new exciting features. And all of these features will get integrated into the layout, into the context editor, into the trimmer, and into the tools like this. That means you work on some, potato, then you click, okay, AI, pick 10 or 20 or whatever, how many pieces of content, and generate them for me. AI will do that. Then you go into the first one, and then you want to publish it on Facebook. You generate a post for that fry, and that's a huge time saver. This is something that I'm extremely excited about, and this is just the beginning of a workflow like this. So this opens up a lot of possibilities, and the next week we will see all the models, and we will maybe take a look at the headline generator and other models right here, and talk about them a bit, and possibly also some of the new version of the context editor, maybe some preview version, who knows. So this is it. That's for today's episode of Content Fridays. Let me know what you think. I think this is mind-blowing. This is, if you can feel, or if you can see the vision as I do, or as we do, this is revolutionary, I would say. So that's it from me. Keep being awesome. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next episode of Content Fridays.